Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia. On this channel I talk about investing and especially investing for beginners. This video will be an update on my Etoro account and the profits that I made there. This time it's profits, thanks God it's not lost, so I'm pretty happy about it. I haven't done it earlier, even though this is going to be a video of the second quarter of 2021 and the result of copy trading and just individual investing that I made on Etoro. I know that it's a little bit late because it's basically the end of July, but I couldn't do it any earlier because I had some health issues, and on top of that, the results on my Etoro profile were jumping up and down so much in the last couple of weeks that I thought by the time I make this video it's gonna be irrelevant anyway, because the result will probably change. And I'm not talking change of $50 or $100, I'm talking about thousands of dollars change. But the markets are crazy and we kind of are used to it already, I think, because the whole of 2020 and now 2021, the conditions on the market were so unstable and unpredictable that I'm not surprised that these are results that I can share with you today. But before I share my profile and how it all looks with you right now, I want to mention one thing. I had several people commenting under my videos saying if they can start copying my trades, and I just want to make one remark, especially if those people are watching this video. You see, I never positioned myself as a trader or a professional investor. I'm a beginner, guys, I'm just like you, and I am just sharing my stories so that you can see the difficulties that I meet and the mistakes that I make along the way. And you can learn on my mistakes and hopefully not repeat these mistakes in your own investment journey. But come on, how can you want to copy my trades, especially if you watch my videos and I tell you that I bought meme stocks without really realizing what it's all about. I bought some companies, I bought the shares of some companies just because Etoro mentioned it in one of its notifications. And this is a mistake. This is a mistake. You have to use copy trading. You have to copy those traders who not just show good results over 1 month or even over 1 year, but you have to spend a lot of time researching, doing your research, finding the information about the popular investor, and then weighing up your decision. It took me several months before I decided to invest money into someone, because essentially what it means is that you trust this person with the money that you earned. And it's so hard to earn money, yet it's so easy to lose it. I'm definitely not the person who you can copy. I wouldn't copy myself. So it's strange to me that people, even after watching my videos, still think that it is a good idea to copy my trades. It's a bad idea. I'm telling you, it's a bad idea, and luckily you cannot do it because I am not a part of Popular Investor program. To be a part of that program, you have to meet certain criteria, you have to apply for it, and then yeah, you can get some copies and you can get some commission for it. But that's definitely not something that I'm going to do, because I don't think that I could take such huge responsibility to be responsible for people's money without having a full understanding of what I'm doing myself, having this feeling that I'm not experienced enough, having this feeling that I'm still learning, yet taking the control of other people's money. So I am definitely not doing that, and if you want to use my experience and my knowledge of copy trading, then please watch my videos, see what popular investors I copy, see the results that I achieved through them, and then decide, then make your own decision if you want to copy the same people or not. But it scares me that people can so easily invest into someone who never said that they were an expert in trading or in investing. Be careful with your money, okay? Because there are so many people in this world who want to take an advantage of your money. Be careful with it. Okay, well, now saying that, let's look at my profile on Etoro, which actually looks good. But again, guys, it looks good not because I made some wise decisions. Maybe I made some, but I definitely made some very unwise decisions as well. The majority of my profits come from copy trading, where I copy other people, and the majority of my losses comes from my own trades, where I thought that I'm cleverer than them and I decided to take a risk. So this is where my losses come from. Learn from my mistakes. Learn from them, don't repeat them. Because I don't mind looking like an idiot on some months saying that I lose more than 80% on some of the trades I made, so that you, hopefully, will not repeat the same mistake in the future yourself. Okay, so this is how my profile on Etoro looks today. and I still have 54 available dollars. I still haven't found a way to use this money wisely. A couple of months ago, I would just take all of this money that is available and invest into something without really even understanding what it actually is, just not to have any spare cash on my Etoro account. So you can see my total allocated sum is $28,683, and my profit is $1,375 or nearly $76. But as I said, less than a week ago it was minus 800, and then in the same day it went to minus 300. And it's quite funny because when you saw it minus 800 a couple of hours earlier, when you see minus 300 you are happy, you think, well, actually it's not that bad, because just a couple of hours ago it was minus 800. So now when I see plus 1,300, I'm actually very happy. And my total equity is $30,000. Let's go to my portfolio and take a look at the performance of each particular popular investor and individual company. So G-Nemesis is always the best, my best performing popular investor and my best decision ever. Unfortunately, I think he's still blocked from new copies, so you cannot start copying him if you haven't done it earlier, but maybe soon they will lift this limitation, I don't know. So I still have $12,000 in him, and at the moment he has made $2,382, which comes to 19% profit. If we click on his profile, we see that from the open positions that he has right now, he's up $189, but he has already closed $2,193 worth of trades, which is great. To me, it is $2,000 that I wouldn't have if I didn't start investing through Etoro. My Tesla purchase is doing good as well. It is plus $43, but on some trades I'm still at a loss. As you see, these two that I bought at almost all-time high, I'm still losing money on it. Altogether, my trades don't look that bad, and I'm actually at a profit. Tesla has released its earnings, and I think they were very good. But I still don't know how long it will take before Tesla reaches all-time high and I start making money on every single trade, not just on half of them. JPEG bond is also in profit, $77. But I don't think that he's closed any positions yet. Well, he closed $3 worth of positions plus $13 refund. This $74, you never know, it may go up, it may go down, because this is from opened positions, so this is not the money that he already has and could reinvest. And I've been copying him for a long time, so he obviously likes to hold his positions for a long time. I don't mind, I don't really care what the popular investor does with my money once I start investing into him. As long as I see profits, this is what I like to see. Olivier is up, and it's not up much, but it is constant, and at the moment he has only $48 out of $2,500 that I have in him invested, which is nothing. But again, the way I look at it is I have $42 that I wouldn't have otherwise. Even though $42 is obviously not a big amount of money, but I don't copy anyone else who would trade Forex, who would trade foreign currency exchange. So I'm happy with Olivier Danwell and with what he's doing, although I'm not planning to invest any more money into him. So Wesley is still down $114, and he's been down now for a long time. I don't know when he's going to go back. I think he's waiting for the Chinese market to recover, and Chinese market's going down and down and down almost all the time. I just hope that he knows what he's doing. My 8 Apple shares gave me a total profit of $161, so it was a very good decision of mine to invest into Apple. Again, I'm not going to buy more individual shares of Apple, because I invest on Vanguard as well, and I buy life strategy funds there and S&P 500, and Apple is a part of both of those funds. So I think for my portfolio and for me feeling comfortable, I have enough of individual shares on Etoro. Baltic Seal is up $54, and I've been copying him for a long time as well. He's green on almost everything, but what's important is that he's closed only $17 worth of trades, and he got $2 of refunds. $36 is what he has in open trades right now. That doesn't mean that he's earned this money yet, because if the price goes down, this sum will go down as well. This one, $17, will stay with him or with me forever. Obviously this $17 gets reinvested and then you can lose it by reinvesting, but this is the money, this is the sum that he has, well, kind of taken out from investing already. You know, he has closed this position. My Coinbase is minus 42%, but I doubt it's gonna go up anytime soon. And Amar is the second investor who I said I might consider putting more money in, and he is up $63, but $63 of $500. If you compare $63 to 54, yeah, right, so 63 is more than 54, but I have $1,000 with Baltic Steel, and with Amar I have only 500. So his return on investment is almost as high as of J Nemesis. He also holds his positions long term, so he almost has nothing in his total closed, but I've been following his results for several months now, and what I like is that it's almost always green, whilst other popular investors, sometimes it goes below zero, so I see the red number. With Amar, it's very, very rare that I see a red number at all. Most of the time it's green, so again, it works. This is his strategy that he's using and I don't mind it. I like it. Okay, now we go down to my bad decisions. GameStop minus 34, Johnson & Johnson plus 11, but I didn't invest much into it, it's only $200. Airbnb minus 1.67. I hope this sum will go up maybe once tourism recovers, not sure. Dogecoin is minus 73%. Here you go, crypto. NEO minus 30%. Bitcoin minus 11%. I believe in Bitcoin long term, but this was one of those days when I thought I have $70 spare, yeah, spare cash, so I might as well buy something, whichever it is. On that day, Bitcoin fell a little bit, so I decided to buy more Bitcoin, thinking that it cannot go any lower. This was my last purchase, this was my last mistake of that sort. So now I'm just holding on to my $54 and I'm not investing it into anything. Ascensus Surgical plus 18%, which is just pure luck, you know, there is no my achievement in this at all. BlackBerry minus 48%, Nikola minus 59%, Bionanogenomics minus 31%, and Naked minus 81%. Look at all these red numbers. If I didn't have these red numbers, I'd have so much more money in profit already. I mean, I understand you always make mistakes and you always make good decisions, but I wish I made more good decisions from the very start. Okay guys, so that's it from my side today. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I hope you enjoyed looking inside my Etoro profile. Let me know in the comments if you think the decisions I made are good or bad, or what you think I should change. If you can give me some advice, then please do so. And I hope to see you in my next videos soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.